See how muddy this field is. Yep, not gonna happen. We're gonna have to go get the other tractor. So I just need a little bit. Put about a quart in. Not quite a quart. All right. I gotta get out to the field and spin the wagon around. You can see how muddy it is out here. The wagon's facing the wrong direction. I don't want to have to turn the wagon around while it's full because it'll make bigger tracks in the field. So that's why I'm hurrying so we can get out there and spin that around before Dad dumps a bunch of corn on it. Oh no, the key got left on. Well, I hope it starts. Crap. The key got left on for 2 days. It was just clicked just a little, just like that. Alright. So, we'll throw the negative on. That guy dangle. Throw the negative on there. That thing's ugly. Throw the positive on there. Throw this positive on here. She's sparking nice. Alright. Let that sit for just a minute. Well, you're getting to see a typical day on the farm. This stuff happens all day long. I gotta call Dad and tell him what but the corn's transferring what moisture it's at, so there we go. Purr like a kitten. It's hard to see, but we have quick hitches on our wagons. I don't know if I can show you this. But I will try. Okay, we have a hitch down here. Okay, so when I back in, there, it's connected. There we go, we're latched. Let's see how muddy this field is. Yep, not gonna happen. All right. Well, we're gonna have to go get the other tractor. Okay, so basically, that wagon's too heavy and the field's too soft. So I gotta go back and get the big tractor. It's got front wheel assist, and hopefully we can get that wagon out of the field. If not, we're in trouble. All right. Oh yeah. Always check the oil. Always check the oil. Where are we at? Oh, we're good. Never start a tractor without checking the oil. Okay. Let's try this now. Ooh, get junk on here. All right. Hopefully this tractor starts. There we go. All right, we're back. We're gonna flip her into front wheel assist. See if we can get this wagon out of here. Lining up this wagon right. Oh, there. Stop. There we go. That's it. That should be perfectly lined up. There we go. Woo, the wind. Oh, it's dropped. The wind has dropped this much since we last looked in here. So that's good. Moving it over. It's not very even though. Oh, it's not bad. You can see the highs and lows around in here. But it's not horrible. That was warm. So, oh, memory's low. All right, real quick before this run out of memory here, turn on our spreader. Flip on our augers. open wagon. Go. Lock that so it doesn't close, and that's pretty much it. There, all the way up there. All right. So the tractor we had that used to run this auger burned up in the shed. So about the only thing we really needed that tractor for was to run this auger in the fall. So we bought the PTO cart. It's an electric motor. It runs a Ford transmission that's hooked to a PTO to run this auger. And then there's a nice switch here that turns on both augers at the same time. So this auger is a 10 and this is an 8, I think. So this one's bigger, it can run more. So this auger can overload this one if you're not careful. That's why you got to regulate it with the gate on the wagon. So right now it's running pretty good. I could probably run it just a touch faster. There, I opened it up one more notch. Now we just have to make sure we're not filling this hopper more than it's faster than it's taking it away. It looks like it's doing pretty good.